weather on NBC 10 Boston, Boston's most accurate forecast.
Hey, we're less than a week away from a solar eclipse, and our very own first alert meteorologist, Kevin Wooten, helped people in Waltham get ready because earlier today he took the NBC 10 Thunder truck. I always feel like there should be an echo. Yeah. To the local market basket, and he gave out 500 of those. Those are the solar glasses.
Nice.
They're not, I don't think they're that easy to find because we talked about it yesterday. You have to make sure your glasses are legit.
Yep.
And you said try them on and you should see nothing.
You know what? I tried a pair on here in the studio last night, which is pretty bright.
Right.
I couldn't see a thing. I couldn't see Pete across the room.
Yeah.
Oh, see, okay. So
This
that's
is a good
how
thing,
you know.
right?
Right?
Yes. Which is what you want.
Forecasting snow. He's not here. I don't see him.
You know what? I'm going to use that every day of the week now.
Could. Especially when the forecast is sour, right? Like in the winter and in the summer when it's chilly and raw. Anyway, getting into this storm system, you can see a little batch of rain running out ahead of our entire storm. Mind you, it's in Chicago. So where's our nor'easter? Hang on, it hasn't formed just yet. That'll be later tomorrow. It comes off of Jersey, then crosses over Cape Cod, sits in the Gulf of Maine for a couple of days, and then decides to leave by Sunday. Yeah, it's that kind of thing. So our nor'easter is the game changer. There's snow on the backside of it. Back to Minneapolis and much of Wisconsin, but that will slowly come into the picture. Now, we don't have a lot of cold air, as you know, ahead of the storm system, so we have to actually wait for it to come into play. Dynamic processes, it's called dynamic cooling, will help in that respect during the course of the storm when it really gets strong. But right now, rain is coming into Boston. Notice it isn't making inroads up onto the North Shore or Cape Ann or the seacoast, but it will later tonight, a little bit more so tomorrow during the course of the day. It just claws up towards Portsmouth, and that's a slow process. Wednesday evening and night, the storm will peak, and that's where we run into problems with that changeover, too. High winds early on Thursday. It ramps up all Wednesday night, but they peak early Thursday. And then the Thursday morning high tide, coastal flooding is possible, too. It's not astronomically high, but we have enough water getting pushed up against the coastline with this long-duration storm to make the difference. Now, you see the rain, first lobe just kind of gets eaten up. The second one comes at us tomorrow morning, and then that heave-ho, then it's firmly established. We have the nor'easter making hay right here. This is where it starts to really grind on us, and it looks like we get a little bit of mix in northern Mass, southern New Hampshire. Now, this is the variable, right? This is how much snow is going to fall. Is it intense enough? There's a lot of questions we have on that snow in the blue there through Lawrence and Lowell, Newburyport, back into Fitchburg as well. And that has really been the crux of the forecast, right? The snow. How much? Is it plowable? Depends on how much you plow, right? That's always the question. Some folks I know put the plow down at 1 inch. And that's Newburyport, maybe Lawrence, Billerica, Bedford, Acton, and Marlborough. 3 would be back through the Worcester Hills. Our highest elevations out near Shrewsbury and Holden have a chance to get closer to 3, but even that might be a push. This 3 to 5 seems a little bit more legit through Fitchburg and Lunenburg, and then 5 to 8 New Ipswich north towards Manchester. Lots of wind ahead of the storm. Here's the center near Chicago, and on the backside too. So we have a big wind field, and as that storm intensifies, some of those gusts by Thursday morning really will be up to 50 miles an hour. Gloucester, Portsmouth, and out through Wellfleet. Elsewhere, not a huge wind issue, 40 to 45. This is back even into Newton, and this is back towards Franklin, Acton, Worcester, where we're 30 to 40 miles an hour. And those peak again on Thursday morning. Look at this ramp down Thursday afternoon because the storm starts pulling away, but the water's up against the coastline. Boston has a chance for minor flooding. Thursday morning tide around 7 to 8 o'clock. Gloucester also minor. Hampton Beach too also minor. And then maybe down through Edgartown we could be moderate coastal flooding Thursday morning high tide. A chance for precip kind of nags us a little bit on Friday and then more so Saturday and maybe a chance on Sunday. But then we start turning the corner and everybody's talking about this too. Not only the storm, but the fact that we just completely reverse gears and go in the opposite direction into the warmth next week. 70s are possible. We might be conservative with those numbers. I really think we are. That's it. We'll see you later tonight.